we are back with another Scandi series video, and this time we are touching on Norway. What are people wearing in Norway? What are their fashion tastes looking like? What's trending? If you haven't seen any of my videos on Scandi style before, I've made two already. What people are wearing in Sweden and what people are wearing in Denmark. Also the video of what people are wearing in Sweden. I also talk about Scandi style in general. All the basics you need if you want to recreate the Scandi look. There are a few basics you need in your closet, so I talked all about that. So if you haven't watched those, definitely check them out after this video. But like I said, today we are talking about Norway, and I feel like this is one of the less heard of countries. Like I feel like all the other ones that are spoken a lot more about when it comes to fashion. So this was actually really interesting for me because I even felt like I don't really know what people wear over there in Norway. So I did my little research and I found some stuff. As usual, I will be talking about 10 trends that are happening, that are being worn in Norway, and let's get straight into it. So Norway is known to have a style where they mix practicality, minimalism, and quality. As a lot of other countries, they are also basing their style off of weather, and in general I would say that Norwegians are very active people, so that is definitely expressed through their style as well. So if we get into our first trend, this one is not gonna be any different from Sweden and Denmark. We have yet again knits, knitted cardigans, knitted sweaters. Everybody loves it. It's a favorite amongst all Scandinavians, and it is a basic, but like it's trending every single year. Everybody has it when it starts getting a little colder, even in summer too, because Scandi summers are quite cool, as in cold. So it is always there, often in some gray colors, creams, beige, you know, quite neutral colors. I mean, sometimes you'll have someone with like a little pop of color, maybe a little pink one, a blue one. Also in Norway, you'll definitely have a lot of people wearing knits that have like a traditional print on them, like Norwegian traditional prints and stuff. So I guess that's kind of what makes it different compared to Sweden and Denmark. But at the end of the day, knits is the way to go. Next, we have some ruffle skirts, and more specifically, I would go towards the mini skirts that are ruffled, and these would also be either like in a color, maybe like a pink or a yellow, blue, or even maybe with like some prints on it, some flower print, maybe some bows, something like that. But a ruffle skirt, and usually these will actually be styled together with a knit sweater on top to kind of have those different layers, different textures going on, and they give it like a really cute vibe to your look, which I think is really cool, and I personally love this myself. And a mini skirt is always something you can wear even when it starts getting I feel like even when it starts getting a little bit colder, you can still wear your mini skirt with your knitted sweater and a pair of like boots to still cover your legs a little bit more, but like it works for multiple seasons. At number 3, we have Crochet, and I didn't want to specifically say like one product because I feel like it's quite popular amongst multiple products, well, whether it's tops or trousers or shorts or even like a crocheted bag, I feel like is a staple piece there almost. And these are also like items that will be more fun. When I say fun, I mean like basically more colorful. You'll see it in pink or orange or blue or whatever, and that kind of reminds me a little bit of the Copenhagen style, where there are still some pops of colors here and there, while Sweden is like so much more neutral. And also this kind of ties in with like when something is crocheted, that it's from a local store, handmade. It's not from like some fast fashion brand, which kind of also makes it more like sustainable. That's always cool too. Then we have the baggy slash wide leg jeans, denim jeans. This is something that has, I want to say, taken over the world. We all went from wearing skinny jeans to now wearing larger jeans. So this isn't just like Norway, but like it's definitely happening in Norway as well, and has been. Like the Scandinavian countries definitely were the first to be wearing these trends, like the baggy jeans or the flare jeans. And so obviously in Norway, everybody is wearing like wide leg jeans, baggy jeans, obviously like regular trousers too. It doesn't just have to be denim, but I want to say that denim is definitely most popular there at the moment. So this kind of just gives like a relaxed style, gives like a cool vibe, laid back vibe we love. As I touched on before, Norwegians have a very active lifestyle, and I did say that it's expressed through their style. And with the next 3 trends that I'll be talking about, this is kind of what I mean, because I've seen it's very popular to like be hiking, be outside in the nature over there. So one of the first trends that comes to mind is like a hiking boot or a hiking shoe, but sneaker, I would say. So for example, the Salomon sneakers, they are a pair of sneakers, but they are also actually like good for you if you want to walk a lot, if you want to hike, if you just want to walk around the city for a whole day. They're actually comfortable for your feet, and they're kind of made for that, whilst also being like a little bit of a fashion statement. So that's definitely trending there. New Balance also makes shoes a little bit like this. So just that style of like, I mean, there's the style of like the dad sneaker. This is the style of like the hiking shoe. And it's kind of also giving gorpcore, if you know, like that style, which is also, it's like basically a fashion style that basically it just looks like you're going hiking. So that's how I would describe it, at least. And so the next item that kind of comes into this category still is the fleece jumper, fleece sweatshirt. Everybody is wearing them, whether they're long sleeve or if like maybe it's a vest that's sleeveless. Fleece material is what's really popular and trending, and these also come like, you'll see lots of people maybe just going for the more neutral style, so wearing them in black, in gray, in like a cream color. There's other people that will wear them and that will be their pop of color in their outfit, so like a green or a red or whatever. But they both look very nice in the fit, and they're so practical, especially for Norwegian weather or like if you're hiking. It's a great layering piece that will also keep you warm when it gets cold, because it definitely does in Norway. Last in this like hiking gorpcore aesthetic that Norway has, we have the parachute pants. Now these were definitely popular for a little bit in America too, in Europe, when street style was really popping. I feel like now everybody just has their own style, everybody dresses different, I don't know, but these are still definitely very much trending in Norway, because once again they're actual pants that are practical for hiking activities, for being outside in the nature. They might be like rain-proof, snow-proof, wind-proof. It's like the windbreaker material, and they look really good too, especially like people will pair them with their fleece sweatshirts and their hiking sneakers, and it will look like a good clean fit, also be super practical. So that's just like, we love a good fit that looks good but that is comfortable and that is practical and that is functional. That's like always the best way to go, I guess. Anyways, going on to other trends that don't just have stuff to do with hiking, we have the trench coats or like longer jackets, I would say. This is very popular in other Scandinavian countries as well, but definitely like this is such a timeless piece to have in your wardrobe. And this is also something that will be, once again, more neutral colors. So we have black, gray, cream, and then also, which I still consider neutral colors, like khaki green or military green, whatever you want to call that, and brown as well. Longer coats and shaped as a trench coat, doesn't always have to be, it can be different materials and that, all that, but just like kind of that general style, that general vibe. Classic, timeless. I literally don't think this will ever go out of style. Next, this is a little bit more, might just be now for the moment. I do see like this could go out of style, but right now it's trending, and that is some colorful glasses. I don't know if you want to call them sunglasses, but glasses that are tinted. For example, the frames might be brown, and then on the inside the actual tint of the glass is like yellow or maybe pink or blue or whatever, but colorful sunglasses. I love this as like, it's just a little detail in your outfit that has a little pop to it, makes your outfit look a little bit more interesting, especially if you're someone that wants to have a little bit more color in your outfit but you don't want to look too crazy. A little statement piece like that is so perfect because it doesn't look crazy, and I mean, you're not going over top either because it's like just a tiny detail to your outfit. This is such a fun piece, I find, as well. And last trend but not least, we have made it to the end of the trends. We have long flowy white, I would say mostly white cream, dresses and skirts. And also, once again, stating on the flowiness of it. It doesn't specifically have to have like a shape that's flowy, but it moves with you when you move, if that makes sense. It moves with the wind. It's breathable. It's light. It's airy. It's giving fairy a little bit. I don't know. But definitely those when there are some warmer days, some sunnier days, that is what everybody is wearing. There really isn't much more to say about it. It's just a white flowy skirt, but it just, I think it's the fit that just does something. It just looks great. And it can be paired with so many things here as well. It can be paired with a knit. It could be paired with just like a bikini top if it's that warm out. You know, that's really something you can have fun with. And because it's white, then you can wear something that's like has a pop of color on top or something. But anyways, those were all of the trends that I had to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I definitely have seen that you have been enjoying my Scandi series, but I also see that so many people are not subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe. It really helps me with my growth and just makes me happy too. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, also comment down below your favorite season so I know who's watched until the end of the video. And with that said, thank you for me, thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.